This is a brand new box and it is banded to the skid. He is lifting the top off, which is tucked inside the base. There are two top covers and there are packing instructions included. Make sure to save all the pieces. Remove everything from the base except the white foam piece. The foam conforms to the bottom of the FX. Now open the plastic bag and place it in the base so you can put the edge in it. Slide the cardboard lifting mechanism under the FX so it is centered and balanced. Now insert the small foam packing pieces into the FX top cover. Then you will notice how the print head protector piece goes on top of the bail arm. Close the cover. With two people, set your edge in the bag in the box. Pull the bag up and tape it shut. The next piece is the cardboard cover with the foam inside. It will be marked showing which side is the front. Insert it in the bottom, outside of the foam piece. You may have to slide the foam to get the cover all the way down. Now place the full cover over the inside cover and slide that down inside the bottom piece. Use the top edge protectors so the straps don't cut into the cover. Make sure the box with the edge in it is on a shipping pallet. Now place the band ratchet on top of the cover and throw the leading edge of the strap under the pallet. Pull it up on the other side and thread the strap through the ratchet and tighten it enough to hold the FX to the pallet. This is the way it should look when it's ready to ship. It is highly recommended to ship it via freight. It will be safer and cheaper due to the weight. Thank you for watching this video by Graphic Marking Systems.